Welcome to the Digital University Day at TU Dresden. You have celebrated your last day of school and are holding your graduation certificate in your hands. Now there are a few days off. Under the sun and in the fresh air, you will have a few moments to reflect. What can you do next? Do you want to study? Are you thinking about social pedagogy or teacher training? Then you can get detailed information on the faculty's website or in the Study Information System, SINS. At the Faculty of Education, you can study the following degree programs directly after your Abitur: Bachelor of Social Pedagogy, teacher training for primary schools, secondary schools and grammar schools, as well as teacher training at vocational schools. If you already have a bachelor's degree, you can take up one of the following degree programs: Master of Social Pedagogy, Master of Continuing Education Research and Organizational Development, or Master Vocational Education and Personnel Capacity Building. The Weberplatz 5 building is an important starting point for all these degree programs. It is the domicile of the Faculty of Education. The professors and lecturers of the faculty work here, and some of your courses take place in the rooms located here. Some of the courses. Yes, the teacher training program is very versatile. You will get to know the entire campus. If necessary at special times, this can also be done digitally or in hybrid form. In a lecture, you sit together with many students in a lecture hall and listen to presentations. Seminars are a more active form of learning. Seminars take place in rooms with seating for up to 30 people. The faculty offers many different workshops, practical rooms, chemistry labs and a teaching kitchen. For what reason? Do you remember the experiments in your physics or chemistry lessons at school? You can practice these things at the university beforehand, so that you don't have a whole class of students looking over your shoulder. And you also learn how to set up or run a workshop or laboratory in your future school. As a future teacher of chemistry, laboratory and process technology, color technology and science and technology, for example, you will practice your experimental skills in our 2 chemistry laboratories with regard to the safe use of experiments for interesting lessons. For the teaching profession at secondary schools and the vocational specialization in food, nutrition and home economics, you can specifically combine subject-specific theoretical and practical content in our teaching kitchen. For primary school teachers, there is a workshop to prepare for handicraft lessons. In the art lab, you can try out innovative primary school-specific art education. For the subject economy, technology, household at secondary schools, a lot of technical understanding is required. The media workshop is the faculty's laboratory, where the threads of e-learning courses come together in one room. There are several variable workstations here with the possibility of video and audio production, a Promethean for classroom flow and a 3D printer. Open-air teaching can also be conducted and tried out here. In the Learning and Research Workshop for primary schools, LUFO for short, students can learn in a self-organized, exploratory and research-based way, both in seminars and during free opening hours. At Weberplatz you will find a stimulating learning landscape to study in, and of course all this is also digitally available. How about it? Will we be seeing you in autumn? If so, you can find out more on the ZLSB and Faculty of Education websites.
Tschüss.